No messages. Okay, awesome. Now, what I want to talk to you about is sacred geometry. And in the past, what people have done with sacred geometry, they say, oh, I'm going to discover the secrets of the universe. I'm going to draw a circle, I'm going to draw another circle, then I'm going to draw another circle, and another circle, and another circle, and another circle, and another circle. And then somewhere, if I'm lucky, and I do it more exactly, then I'll end up with something that looks like a flower. I gotta do it wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something like that. So anyway, this is the how people play with sacred geometry now. And that is just like the most silliest thing I've ever seen in the world. What you really need to do, that is just a biggie. It's like, dude, that is so primitive. What you really should do is go to the Oculus store and look up something called Sacred I need to do cursive. Geometry. Workshop. If you go to Sacred Geometry Workshop, then you can basically go into virtual reality and you can, I was almost going to feel like I was going to fall over here. Anyway, you can go to Sacred Geometry Workshop, look it up on the Oculus store, and you can play with the spheres, and it has a template there to help you correctly do a flower of life. You can tell what a horrible job I did with this. But you can actually play with it. You can grab it and do all kinds. Well, I should probably just show you. But anyway, this is the wrong way to. If you're trying to do sacred geometry like this, then you're doing it wrong. What you need to do is grab it hands-on with a template, with a little bit of help, and you can mix and match. The Tree of Life and the Star of David and the Platonic solids and Metatron's cube, and you can hold Metatron's cube and you can take it apart. I mean, you can do some hands-on stuff. So anyway, now things snap in place. So when you get it close, it snaps into place, which really helps in building, because sometimes you forget how or where to place these things. Or I don't know. Before it was kind of confusing because you could really place it kind of off kilter. Boom. So they're totally overlapping. Boop. 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 And there we go.